Hey guys, and welcome back to Zolazat Freeze. So today, it is Tuesday, November 26th of 2024, and today we're going to be doing Mission 3 of Operation Multiverse 2024. However, before we make our way to the Halloween universe, which is just beyond this portal, we actually have 2 more sheep to save in the abandoned universe, because apparently alternate universe evil ship leader decided to trap 2 more in the abandoned universe. So let's go find them real quick. So from what Golgat33 told me, they are hidden here in Rose Crystal's room. Which, that could not be any more obvious, considering there is Halloween Mr. Sheep right there. First of all, another thing, I want to apologize because I did not go in here during the, last episode. So, yeah, I do want to, greatly apologize for all of that. Another thing, the clothes shop was also not accessed. And what do you know? That's where Halloween HQ Secretary is located. What a freaking coincidence. There she is. Break free! Yeah, get out of here, bud. We need to send you guys back to your universe. Come with me. Alternate universe evil ship leader trapped us here after you left. We thought we were going to be stuck here. We know you're heading to our universe next, so we'll see you there. That's right. I will see you too in just a few minutes. You, be gone. And you, more importantly, be gone. And now, I must make my way there too. Let's go! Alright, we have successfully arrived in the Halloween universe. So, as you can see, yep, here it is. The Halloween universe. Right here. Of course, though, we will explore all of this amazingness later. What we need to do is go find Holiday Mr. Sheep and HQ Secretary before we can, of course, do anything else regarding this universe. But before we do, as you can see, yep, they are back in their rightful spots. And that is awesome. So, let's go ahead and, of course, make our way down here, because I actually think I know exactly where these guys are, which is actually really, really cool. And yep, there is Halloween DJ Sheep right there. That is super cool. Let's go ahead and open this up. And he just escaped. I'll get him back in here later. I'll go track him down later. Anyway, they are actually in here, yep, I can see them. I can see them right there. Ah, so he's orange in this reality. I see. Let's break him free, shall we? Yeah, break out free! Holiday Mr. Sheep, you seem to be orange, which only indicates that it is potentially a possibility that your room in the Holiday universe is Halloween. So, I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. Where the heck is Holiday HQ Secretary? Ah, I see her. I see her in there. Yep, I see her right in there. There she is. Holiday HQ Secretary. Let's bust her out while we're here. Yeah. Come on, Holiday HQ Secretary. Get out of there and roam free, because we need to get you two back to the Holiday universe. Let's go. The lab office in the Holiday universe is in fact Halloween, hence why I'm oranged. The HQ is all Memorial Day, hence why I'm gray. That is so cool. So we have an official answer behind why these two are the way they are in terms of their color scheme. Now, more importantly for you two, get out of here. And more importantly, you as well. Get out of here. Thank you. Let's go explore the universe now. Starting things off, we of course have a book, Spooky Universe, since I couldn't fit Halloween Universe in there. Welcome to the Halloween universe. What would have Zolazat Freeze Halloween Party 2024 looked like if it actually happened in reality? Our universe has you covered. Explore a spooky black and white lab where there's no color. How's that for spooky? By Halloween, Mr. Sheep. Indeed, it is one crazy universe we are about to witness. With all that said and in mind, as you can see, automatically kicking off the tour, we can see that, of course, everything is black and white all across the lab on the outside, which looks extremely cool. As you can see, there are some similarities to the abandoned universe, which should not be a surprise considering this is a black and white theme for the Halloween party. At least this is what it would have been if, it actually happened. So that's exactly what Halloween Mr. Sheep just said. This universe is literally based off of what that would have been. So that's cool. We got everything all covered now. Anyway, with all that said, as you can see, everything looks great. We got a ton of pumpkins and also some very cool trees around here as well. Similar to the ones that we saw in Zola's Lab 2 during that party. And yeah, the ZL3 plaque still looks like that. It looks very, very nice. And of course, we obviously have some fences over here, which of course obviously are the iron bars. Similar to the ZL2 one as well, which is very, very nice. And the beacons are updated to black and white, also similarly to Zola's Lab 2. So now, another thing is that the signs are updated to, of course, represent the black and white theme. Unlike ZL2, though, the lab office has not been fully changed to black and white. Just because it would have been more complicated. But Halloween Mr. Sheep is right there, who we just saved earlier in the beginning of the video, before we made our way here. And we already ran into him earlier when we were finding the holiday sheep, so yeah, nice to see you again, bud. In all seriousness, it looks like this in here. Looks really, really nice. There are mainly pumpkins all over the room, which is mainly the only difference in here. Outside of course, some cobwebs. So, yeah. And, of course, the lights being off. Of course, who would want to forget about that? And then, of course, if we, of course, make our way up to the flower shop, we can see that we have the following. Halloween flower sheep right here, who is light gray now, which is really cool. As you can see, all there really is just some pumpkins, cobwebs, some dead bushes inside the flower pot, and that's really it. So, yeah. Not much to say there. You guys are probably going to be shocked about this one, but there's nothing on the roof if you do not count the cobwebs. So, we can automatically move over to the backyard as well. There we go. And hey, what do you know? We're already here. That was quick. In all seriousness, this is the backyard decorated for the Halloween universe, which looks really cool. I'm not going to lie. This looks really nice for this. And yeah, what do you guys think? The trees do make a very nice detail. I'm not going to personally lie here. They do make a nice detail for this universe. And to be honest, it looks great. It truly does look great here. I really love every single inch of it. Of course, we still got places such as, of course, the lab office, all decorated in black and white, which is really nice. As you can see, looks really cool. I'm not going to lie. This looks really, really nice. And apparently the play button never got updated up there. That's really weird. That's odd. In here, though, is updated, and also is where we can find Halloween Librarian Sheep. So I guess there is still some slight color in this party. Well, there goes that idea. Woo! Yep, there goes that idea. In all seriousness, that is completely fine, though. The ceilings aren't updated, so never mind. I guess this is not even fully out of color anyway, so again, there goes that idea. In all seriousness, though, this is what it looks like. It looks really, really nice. Just moving this a bit. But as you can see, though, the place does look nice. And yes, another thing I can confirm down here is updated as well. just like the last universe that we were in. And mainly the only difference is just some cobwebs. Sorry, scratch that. The pumpkins. The car pumpkins. Like, guys, I'm not even kidding. That's literally the only difference. Okay, we have an exception. The map is updated too, which, let me just take the time to show you this. As you can see, things have been updated here, which is really cool. And then, of course, down here, the balcony, of course, also has some updates, which we will get to later. We, of course, have, Halloween HQ Secretary that we saved earlier in the video, which is really nice. So, yeah. To be honest, though, there's not too much else when it comes to decorations down here. We should really rebuild the prison cell now that I think about it. But, yeah. Not too much to say here, so we can get out of here now. Next up is the sheep rooms, and it's actually only just this room. So, as you may notice, things do look decorated here. Except for Sheepies and Lapis Sheep signs not being here, that's really weird. But as you can see, the remaining ones are updated, at least with their signs, and also the entrances as well, which honestly make them look really, really cool. Outside of that, there is nothing else to say here, so we're going to move on to the next room. And that is Rose Crystal's room. Let's do that. There we go. Here is Rose Crystal's room, which is really cool, as you can see. It looks very nice down here, I'm going to be personally honest. And yes, I also can confirm that even includes the clothes shop, which also looks super cool. As you can see, it is full-on black and white here if you don't count the ceiling. But yeah, looks really nice in here. I'm not going to lie. This is a very nice room. Yeah, see? Look at this. This is a very nice room in here. As you can see, everything's practically black and white except for the ceiling, pretty much. And the pumpkins, pretty much. But yeah, still looks like a good room. Just do that. There we go. That was just turning on caps. Actually, wait a minute. Why do I even have that on? Yeah, her PC's slightly different compared to mine. Just a little, though. Let's see. Where else do we need to go? Yes, we need to go in here. That being, of course, the underground party room. And see, I told you I would find him again. The Halloween DJ sheep is right here. Yep. Right there. Anyway, this is what the Halloween underground party room looks like. It looks freaking awesome. And actually, I think I can just show you it all in just as, like, one angle, actually. Which is actually pretty incredible. With all that being said, guys, that's it. So, we can now move on to, Snowland. Let me just... Okay, I guess we're going this way for some freaking reason. God dang it, give me just a minute. Got it. And let me just get through here. Alright. Sorry about that. Alright. So, as you can see, this is Snowland, where we were earlier to save Holiday, Mr. Sheep, and HQ Secretary. HQ Secretary was over there, while Mr. Sheep was over there. This is what the room actually looks like now. It honestly looks really cool. It honestly has a lot of detail. It's actually very similar to the Zolazap 2 version. Except this time there's actually 4 forts rather than 2. And yeah, that's pretty cool though, I'm not going to lie. This is actually really cool. And funny enough, you may not see them, you may not think they're back here, but there actually are some jack-o'-lanterns. And actually, that actually also applies on the other side as well. So, that's cool. Like, yeah, you can actually see these things. And see, all the signs are black and white, which is awesome. So, yeah, Snowland looks pretty awesome. I'm not going to personally lie. Anyway, Cave I didn't find updated, so we can skip that. But this is updated, though. As you can see, the second hallway is updated for this party. So, yeah, looks really nice, though. Looks very nice down here. And, yeah, not too much to say about the room, other than it looks freaking amazing. And of course, that of course also means that the meeting room is updated as well, which it actually is updated. As you can see, that's how it looks. That's really all there is to say. Actually, that's serious. So we can actually move on to the TV and game room, which also is updated for this party as well. Mainly looking like this. And of course, this from the other side. And then of course, just for the record, the TV has been updated to this as well, which is very, very nice, I'm not going to lie. Anyway, let's get out of here and make our way to the final room in this party and universe. Just mainly universe. The balcony! It is updated, which is freaking awesome. As you can see, it looks very, very beautiful in here. Looks super nice, super creative, and I just realized that one of these are missing. It literally took me till like right now to notice that. My bad, guys. Actually, wait a second. I just realized I could just throw this in the water. There we go. Why didn't I just do that all this time? Oh well. That's fine though. This is what the balcony looks like though, and we I think did see this earlier on the map. Just without, of course, that minor adjustment that I made. As you can see though, balcony looks really, really cool. And even from the other side, also looks amazing. Yeah, the balcony looks awesome. And is the last room in this universe. So, yeah, there you have it. That's it for the Halloween universe, guys. There's nothing else to say here. So, guys, on November 28th, on Thursday, we are going to be making our way to the holiday universe. Which, yeah, is really, really cool. So, yep, we're going to be doing the holiday universe next time. Of course, to make our travel quicker, let's go!